wondered how creators make those crazy robot football videos with AI? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create them step by step using simple and free tools. So don't skip anything. The tool we'll use is Mago AI. It lets you turn normal football clips into insane robot football animations. Once you sign in, click Create Project, give it a name, and upload your football video. You can trim the part you want and even create multiple styles from the same clip. Now go to Settings and choose the AI model. For this video, I'm using First Frame 3.4. Next, click Stylize Frame. Choose an image model like Nano Banana or Seedream. I'm using Seedream here. You can also add image references if you want more control. Now just type your prompt, like, turn this football player into a futuristic robot. Select how many images you want and hit Generate. Boom! In a few seconds, our robot frames are ready. Now click Use This, and Mago automatically creates a full video prompt based on your robot design. You can edit it, but honestly, the auto prompt works great. I'll first test a short part to check how well it follows the movement. And as you can see, the robot perfectly matches the football actions. Now I'll render the full clip. Look at this, exact same motion, but with a robot player. This looks crazy. And that's how you turn normal football videos into futuristic robot football clips using AI. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Reavron. See you in the next one.